Hey guys, today is a video. I decided that I want to make a YouTube video because I'm a bit bored, and as well I think it'd be quite fun to show you this thing. I was looking around on YouTube, and especially this game because I think it's quite good, and no one really showed many Jupiter terraforming videos, so it just made me to decide that yeah, I want to do a video, and so that's what I'm gonna do. Before I even do anything, I just want to lower down the time and see what it is. By the way, if anyone even watches this, although I doubt, maybe only a couple people will, tell me if I should make it the proper way, in the sense of because I'm gonna be kind of cheating using a mass. If you want me to make terraform a planet naturally where I collide asteroids together with different elements, etc., tell me and I'll do that. But for now, I'm not gonna make it identical to the Earth, Jupiter, but I'm gonna do. I want to make it close. I'm gonna load down the albedo to heat it up. As you can see, actually, yeah, increase the years on it, so it's round about in that temperature now. Because the albedo, I might change its orbit whilst I'm in the process. So what I'm gonna do is change it to 1.2 Earth's the mass. I'm more about the mass because that's the amount of gravity. So yeah, what we're gonna do is decrease the amount of hydrogen. As you can see, Jupiter looks a lot more different now. So, but this is to what's it called? I'm changing the water levels now because it's like a water world, and I'm gonna change it to, for now, something like this. I'm just gonna put 2.9. Yeah, and actually no, I'm gonna put it as like this, just because I don't want it to water it, you know what I mean? I want it perfect. So I've added some hydrogen, but I'm gonna add very small amounts like this. I might just put it, no I won't, it's fine. Actually yeah, I'm gonna add more hydrogen, as you can see. Actually no, I changed my mind. I don't want much hydrogen. Decided. So as you can see, it's similar in size, but the problem is with it that it's not heated. It's very cold. The problem with what we have is that I don't have much knowledge about the game and the greenhouse, and I don't know how to really change the greenhouse effect that much. That's why I'm going to change its orbit. And there is a setting where you can actually change the temperature of it, manually, but I don't know it, and I just, yeah, I'm not bothered. So what I want to do now is, before I even try to find out its before I even decide its rotation and orbit, I want to do the atmosphere. And how I'm going to do this, just add it through this, and this will ultimately increase the temperature and high chance of life. Obviously now it's not gonna, it's minus 155, it's not gonna do much, but what I will do now is add the magnetic field. I'm gonna put that as 1.2 Earth. I think that'll be fine. I'm not sure. I'll put it as 14. Similar to Earth. So I'll put it as 24 hours like Earth. And then, yeah, I think that'll be fine. Now, the semi... So I don't know much about this game, but I'll put it as 1.2. I might have. There are some times where, yeah, that's pretty fine. And the inclination, I'll just increase, you know, lower it down, and as we can see, it's more like Earth, but I want to make it a bit more similar, so I'm going to put it 1.5. Hopefully planets don't collide. Actually, I'll put it as 0.9. Oh, actually no, 0.85. I'm so cautious because I don't want it to crash. Because if it crashed, both planets will be destroyed. I would not want that. I can always increase the albedo, so it's not bothered. And you'll notice, well, hopefully, when I increase this, the temperature will drastically increase. So you already can see there. It's gonna get very hot, for sure. As we can see, but I want to see its maximum temperature. So it's around about 50 or 60 degrees, which is not bad. I reckon it can still hold life. Let's see, actually. Yeah, 80% chance. Like, it's not that bad because it's not that bad anyway. Because life would evolve to like that temperature or be more suitable to that. So, but say if to like Earth, the humans, and they want to lower it, that's fine. We'll just increase it. Hopefully no one gets an anaphylactic shock or like I don't know, a seizure by looking at this object spinning. But yeah, I'd say we have something similar to Earth now. I don't want it to, I'm glad it didn't go too hot because it'll increase the water vapor, which will heat it even more. I want to put it, I'd say that's fine. I'll actually might just pull it back by 1. And yeah, this is Jupiter, could say. It's pretty good. I'm just gonna save this object and I'm gonna 4.0. The reason I'm doing this because I like to save the planets I made. I'm gonna do it Jupiter. There. So as you can see, it doesn't look like Earth, but thankfully there's been like there's been a colour update, which means I have more option, like means that it's better. Well, it looks nicer. So the atmosphere colour, I want to put that to blue. Cloud colour, interface colour, I don't know much about that, so I put city lights on. I'm going to change the city light just for the fun of the video, this video. I make it more, I'd say more futuristic, but I know, more bluish like that. So I want to make it more like Earth. I don't really know what to do. I might make it green, but like try not to make it that green. When they did add the colour update, It's a bit real. I'm so stupid. I should do it this side. So when they did add the colour update, I'm a bit like disappointed with it, to be honest, with how they've set it out. I want to make it a bit more realistic, but it doesn't matter. How I'm gonna do that, I don't really know, but I might just make it like like a shallow waters. Sorry, I had water. So yeah, full Earth 4.0 Jupiter, you could say, is very much like Earth now. So I'm gonna increase it a bit. Hopefully there's stable temperatures. I think so. The orbit staying the same. And yeah, it's good. It's got solar ice. It's got ice caps. Pretty good. But what I'm missing now is a moon. And this can go really bad because the problem that you sometimes have is where the moon can heat up the planet, which will ultimately spoil the simulation or your planet. So I want to make it further enough distance. If I was to make it heat up, it'd be about below 250,000 kilometers, which is not a lot in this grand scheme of things. And yeah, this is Jupiter. I have my moon with it. And yeah, what I might do though, I don't know why it's minus 270 degrees. It's a bit strange. Maybe if it heats up. It doesn't matter anyway. This is Jupiter, and hope you have a nice time, and I'll be uploading more videos. Maybe I'll try and do twice a week or 3 times, depending on how I feel. But yeah, see you guys. Bye.